Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of clutter taking over your home? Do you feel overwhelmed by messy rooms, overflowing closets, and choking drawers? You are not alone. And the good news is, you can take back control. In this video, we share practical decluttering and organizing tips for home that will help you create a peaceful, beautiful living space where you can truly relax and thrive. Whether you are preparing for a seasonal cleanout, moving into a new home, or simply wanting to live with less, these powerful decluttering and home organization strategies will guide you step by step. We shall help you figure out where to start, how to stay motivated, and how to make the process as stress free as possible. From decluttering your kitchen counters to organizing your closets like a pro, this video covers it all. Room by room decluttering guide. We will show you how to tackle each area of your home efficiently, from kitchen, bedroom, and living room to bathrooms, closets, and even garage. Get specific tips. Decluttering techniques. Learn effective methods like the KonMari method, the 4 box method, and the 2020 rule to help you decide what to keep and what to let go. Say goodbye to clutter once and for all. Storage and organization solutions. Maximizing your space with smart storage hacks and creative organizing solutions. Discover how to use bins, baskets, drawers, dividers, and labels to keep everything tidy and easy to find. Daily habits for clutter free home. Maintaining an organized home is all about consistency. We shall share simple daily habits and routines to help prevent clutter from creeping back in. Decluttering small spaces. Living in a small apartment or a tiny home. No problem, find out how to declutter and organize even when space is limited. Closet. Sort clothes seasonally. Donate unused items and use matching hangers for a neat look. Bathroom. Toss expired products, use clear bins for small items, and create designated zones for toiletries. Living room. Keep surface clutter free, limit decorative items, and manage media and electronics with hidden storage. Home office. File paperwork, declutter your desk, and create systems for incoming mail and supplies.